New See Walk Hard, Hello Dotor. Brought to you by Walk Hard Hospitals towards saving lives.
हॅलो दोतोर कार्यावळीन तुमकां परतून एकदां सगळ्यांक माये मोगाचो येवकार. हॅलो दोतोर ही कार्यावळीच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी तुमचे मेरेन वैजकी मळावयली जे नवीन माहिती आसा किंवा जी माहिती तुमच्या मेरेन पावपाक जाय अशें आमकां दिसता ती पावोवपाचो एक प्रामाणीक प्रयत्न करता. आनी आयज आमचे बरोबर आसात नामनेचे सिनियर कन्सल्टंट न्यूरो सर्जरी डॉक्टर कोशी जॉर्ज. ही एक अशें व्यक्तिमत्व आसा की जांचेशी तुमकां आयकून खूब कौतुक दिसतलें.
डॉक्टर जॉर्ज कोशीन आपलें ग्रॅज्युएशन त्रिवेंद्रम मेडिकल कॉलेजींतल्यान पुराय केलें. तांणी न्यूरोलॉजीन MCH ही डिग्री आत्मसात केली. सुमार 24 वर्सांच्या तांच्या कारकिर्दीन तांणी ब्रेन, स्पायन आनी पेरिफेरल नर्व्जांची सुमार 7,000 ऑपरेशन्स केली. तशेंच सुमार 15,000 क्रॅनियोस्पायनल इंजरीजच्यो केसीस तांणी हँडल केल्यो. सध्या ते गोंयकारांच्या सेवे खातीर कुंकळेच्या न्यूसी वोकाट हॉस्पिटलांत वावुरतात.
तर आमचो नंबर जावन आसा 24904444 आनी 24904445. ह्या दोना पैकी खंयच्या एका नंबराचेर फोन करात आनी फोन करतना तुमच्या घरा कडल्या टीव्हीचो आवाज मातसो कमी करात. इश्टानो, आयची जी कार्यावळ आसा ती न्यूरो सर्जरी ह्या विशयाचेर आधारीत आसा. तेन्ना तुमचे ब्रेना विशीं कितें कंप्लेन्स आसा किंवा मण्या विशीं किंवा नर्व्स हांचे विशीं जर कितें कंप्लेन आसा जाल्यार मुजरत प्रश्न विचारात. प्रश्न विचारतना अनमनू नाकात. फक्त प्रश्न थोडक्यान विचारात आनी घरा कडल्या टीव्हीचो आवाज कमी करात. Doctor, just to set the ball rolling, I would like to know what type of operations have you performed most commonly in Goa, which you felt it is more predominant in Goa area, or there is no difference that way?
Oh, there is no difference. So far, I have operated on the brain and the spine, and on head injuries, and have been treating head injuries basically. So as such, I don't see any great difference. I have also operated on clots in the head. So I don't find a great deal of difference. From the pattern is the same as far as the spread of neurosurgical problems are concerned.
Because often we say that head injuries are common in Goa. Though maybe because of the light heads and headlights, they put it in a joking way, but at evening, you know what is a common trend over here in Goa. Right. What I would like to know, sir, is that apart from these head injury cases, any other spinal cases which you have felt there is predominance in Goa?
Yes, there are a lot of cases. Basically, I think maybe it is due to the stomachs the Goans have or the sedentary lifestyle. I have a feeling that we have a lot of slip disc problem also in Goa.
Okay.
And I have operated on a few slip discs, and right slip discs need not be only in the back, in the low back, they are also in the neck. I have just operated on a patient from the front of the neck and removed his disc and then replaced the area.
Okay, doctor, I think we have received one call. Hello. Hello,
doctor.
Yeah.
हांव नवेंच्यान उलयतां, मारिया फेर्नांदीस.
Yeah, सांग.
मुगे एका हाटी कोण्या म्हाका वेट घायल्लो. ते म्हाका बरें दूख आहा अजून पसून 1 म्हयनो 5 दीस घायल्लो. आनी 2 वर्सां जालीं पूण म्हाका बरे त्रास जाताय. माने म्हाका स्पॉन्डलायज आहा आनी ते तकले म्हाका गोडे गोडे एक मिनटान उज येता, झुम झुम.
उजो येयल्ल्या भशेन दिसता, उजो येना.
हॅलो.
हय, सांग.
आणि तकले म्हज्या आखे तकले गुंड जाले, गुंडा. आणि ती कानांतल्यान बा म्हाका ते हे जाता उज बायसो दिसता. आणि ते कुटा हाडा आहा पळय हाटी मुण्याचे, ते म्हजे एक सायडीन MRIचे आंकडे जाला, पूण ते MRI वेट गायल उपरांत काडलो.
नाही म्हाका सांग,
2 वर्सां मध्ये काय म्हाका बरें पडना.
कमरान खंय दुखता तुका? कमरान खंय दुखता?
कमरां
खंय कमरान सकयल काय वयर?
ते सारखे कुटाचे 3-3 म्हण आहा थिंगा
Ah, तिसरो म्हण आसा तुका. She gets pain in the back and also she has cervical spondylosis. She was given traction. She has not felt much relief. In between there was a period like another 1-2 years that she was out of symptom free. Now she is again getting the pain and she's feeling as if there is fire in the head and it is emerging out through the years.
I think the problem with the head is a separate thing just now. What I feel is that her major problem is in the low back. As I can understand, Maria's problem is basically in the low back and she was given traction for it. It works for some time. Now I don't know what is her MRI finding, but I think she said that there was a disc prolapse or a disc slip disc as we call it. I think that at the moment she should see a neurosurgeon and she should see whether what is the advice given, what is her age.
That we didn't ask her.
Yes.
But she must be around middle age, around 40-45.
Okay, whatever it is. Now the basic thing is she should see a neurosurgeon because she has two problems. Both the problems are solvable. Both the problems are to be dealt with by a neurosurgeon, the cervical spondylosis as well as the low back. If there is a disc problem, they will decide as to which disc we need to remove first.
Doctor, we have got another call, but before that, I'll just tell her in a nutshell. Maria बाय तुका कळलं आसतलें की तुका न्यूरोसर्जरीचो ट्रीटमेंट घे, न्यूरोसर्जनाक वचून मेळ आनी तांच्यांनी जो निर्णय दिता त्या प्रमाणे तुजी ट्रीटमेंट करपाक जाय आनी तुका बरें दिसतलें अशें डॉक्टरांक विश्वास आसा. सर, वी हॅव गॉट अनदर कॉल. हॅलो.
हॅलो.
या.
हांव तालिगांवच्यान उलयतां, किशन वेरेकर.
वेरेकर बाब, विचारात.
बाबाक आमच्या 2 वर्सां पयलीं एक्सिडंट जाल्लो.
एज कितें?
हॅलो.
बाबाची एज कितें?
बाबाची एज तेन्ना आसली 65.
65. अच्छा.
आनी तांकां कितें जालें की तांकां तो मुको मारतकलेक लागलो आनी मागीर क्लॉट जालो तयार आनी तेंचें मागीर ऑपरेशन जालें 2 दिसांनी. आनी ते तेन्ना एक 80 kg आसले, आतां ते 40 kg जाले आनी एक सायड तेंचे आतां रायट सायड हे जाल्ली आसा. हय, रायट सायड आतां तेंचे म्हणजे कितें अशें हें जावंक ना, पॅरालिटीक जावंक ना, बट सारकी बारीक हात जाल्या, पांय बारीक जाला आनी सगळें तेंकां.
एक मिनिट, फक्त राईट साइडच हात पाय बारीक झाला काय दोन्ही साइडीचे झाला?
ते जाल्यात, बट राईट सायडीचे वेट बी कांय उचलूंक शकना, घेवंक शकना, इवन जेवंक शकना.
अच्छा.
I want to know when was the accident? How many years back?
2 years back.
2 years back. Where was he operated? Which part of the body? Head or the spine or which part? Head, I think so. Which side of the head was he operated?
वेरेकर बाब. हॅलो, तेका ब्रेनाच्या तकलेच्या खंयचे सायडीक ऑपरेट केल्लो?
तकलेच्या ब्रेनाकडे तेका हे केल्लो, तेका कितें क्लॉट जाल्ले.
उजवे सायडीक डावे सायडीक?
या याच्या डावे सायडीक.
डावे सायडीक, लेफ्ट साइड.
Left side. And he has a left-sided paralysis.
Right sided.
Right-sided paralysis. Then his speech also must not be there.
विचार.
आणि त्याचं आम्ही आता मेडिकेशन करून ते 22 दिसांनी टोटल म्हणजे शुद्धीकरण बी सगळे तांकां आमी केले 2 वर्सां पयलीं. आतां ते कितें जालें, अशें पयलीं ते मातसो एग्रेसीव, आतां तेच मदीं मदीं एग्रेशन भायर काडटा ते आनी मातशें दिसता की आमी आपल्याक कितें करता म्हणटा ते अशें तेंचें हें जालें आनी तेंचें खंयचेंच मेडिकेशन कंप्लीट करिना ते, खंयच्या दोतोरा कडेन व्हेल्यार सुद्दां.
ते मेडिकेशन घेनात?
घेना, म्हणजे तांकां कितले कन्विन्स केले न्ही, तांकां आमी ॲलोपॅथीचे जाल्या उपरांत होमिओपॅथी केल्या आनी कांयच ना, म्हणजे तांकां कितें ट्रिटमेंट दिवपाचो.
तुमचो प्रश्न मातसो खरंच सेन्सिटीव आसा, बिकॉज सी आतां डॉक्टरान कितें मेडिकेशन सांगलां ते ट्रिटमेंट घेवचें पडलें न्ही. ट्रिटमेंट घेनासतना पेशंट बरो कसो जातलो? सो यू हॅव टू रियली कन्विन्स हिम अँड पुट लिटल एफर्ट्स इन दॅट डायरेक्शन.
I think in his father's case, he is saying that the gentleman has become more aggressive after the head injury. It is a natural thing, especially when he has got a severe enough head injury which needed to be operated. Now
he was operated.
Yes. Now in such cases, usually it is better to take a little psychiatric medicine also. Of course, he has to take anti-epileptics. That means drugs for fits. And sometimes if he is getting this in bursts, like the aggression is coming off and on, then there is a possibility that this is a part of a fit, which they are not understanding that it is a fit. Now every fit need not have the same type of presentation. It need not be, jerking movements of the hands and legs and unconsciousness. There are fits which come in different varieties, and sometimes it is called a subclinical fit. So that is one. The second thing is he can meet a psychiatrist for a low dose of psychiatric medicine. The whole idea is that he must take the major medicines. For that, if we need to give a little medicines to cool his temper, and also we have to keep looking at the BP, and so he needs a good physician, and he needs to meet a psychiatrist, and also continue with the neurosurgical medication, and also exercise. He says that the whole side has become thin, and that is because there is no exercise on that side. As if you do not exercise your muscles, they are definitely going to become very thin.
म्हाका दिसता वेरेकर बाब तुमकां प्रश्नाची जाप कळ्ळी आसतली की डॉक्टरान सांगलें की ताका थोडेशें एक्सरसाइज जाय, सायकेट्रीची ट्रिटमेंट जाय, न्यूरोसर्जरीची ट्रिटमेंट जाय, आनी सगळ्यांचें एक समीकरण घेवन तेंच्यांनी फुडें वचपाक जाय, तेन्नाच तांकां बरें दिसतलें. एक वेळ थोडेशे अशे फिट्स आसता, तांचें प्रेजेंटेशन अशें आसता ते मातशें एबनॉर्मल उलोवंक शकता किंवा एग्रेसीव जावंक शकता, ते तुमी समजून घेवपाक जाय. म्हाका दिसता तुमच्या ह्या जापेन तुमचें समाधान जालें आसतलें, नाजाल्यार तुमी तांचो सल्लो जरूर घेवचो. डॉक्टर, देर इज अनदर कॉल ऑन. हॅलो हॅलो या
हॅलो
या विचार.
हॅलो
हा विचार, कोण उलयता?
पणजेच्या राजन सायकर उलयता.
राजन बाब विचारात.
म्हाका हेजेर स्पायनल कॉर्डाचेर प्रश्न विचारपाक. स्पायनल कॉर्ड इंजुरीचेर 10 वर्साची केस आसलेली, 10 वर्साची केस. मागीर तिका आतां जर ट्रीट केली जाल्यार ताका कितको फायदो जावंक शकता?
नाही म्हाका सांग, पण कितें जालां तें सांगा न्ही. म्हणजे 10 वर्सां पयलीं
तो सध्या बेळार आसा आनी ताका म्हणजे तेजी इम्प्रुवमेंट आसा. पयलीं ताका कांय इम्प्रुवमेंट नासली. मेडिकलान ताका क्लॅम्पां घालून वजन घालून ठेयल्लें आनी आतां मातशी म्हणजे भरपूर इम्प्रुवमेंट आसा. पयलीं कांय इम्प्रुवमेंट नासली. सेन्सेशन बीन कांय नासलें. 5 वर्सां कॅथेटर घालून आसलो तो.
आतां कॅथेटर ना.
आतां कॅथेटर ना, आतां बलून कॅथेटर आसा आनी युरीन मातशें लो जावपाक मातशें हें जाता. म्हणजे कंटिन्यू युरीन बीन पास जायत रावता. आनी म्हाका आतां लेटस्ट कितें हें आसा ट्रिटमेंट तेजेर, आनी आतां ट्रीट करीत जाल्यार त्या पेशंटाक कितको फायदो जावंक शकता?
मातशें एक म्हत्वाची गोश्ट सांगा, हो मनीस चलूंक शकता? कितें पोजिशन कशें आसा?
चलूंक शकना. सध्या तो बेडार उठून आपले आपूण हें करूंक शकता. वयर सकयल म्हणा असो बसोंक येना. बसत जाल्यार चडून बसत जाल्यार मानेक मातसो त्रास जाता.
हाका इंजरी जाली म्हणजे कितें जाल्लें एक्झॅक्टली?
10 वर्सां जातली.
कितें जाल्लें?
मानेक हें जालो, मानेचे मणके हें जाल्ले आनी मागीर ते प्रेस जावन स्पायनल कॉर्ड प्रेस जावन उरलेलो. मागीर ते वजन घालून 40 days मेडिकलान उरलेलो तो.
Acha. This was a case 10 years back. He suffered with some injury of the spinal cord. She is telling in the neck. But and second thing is what saying that this person is bedridden now. Though he was operated in GMC and he was on medication. They say like he has improved a bit, but this person cannot walk. And second thing is that he cannot pass his urine, so they have put a catheter. And he's asking whether any hopes with the management now.
As far as the cervical injuries are concerned, neck injuries are concerned, the amount of spinal cord injuries, they produce the most amount of neurological damage.